Bboy Ghost. Today I want to explain how to do tornadoes. To start tornadoes, first you need to start with the basics. First, you need to put your left or right leg in front of your body. Then, you need to put your hand next to your hips, close to your hips. After you put your hand next to your hip, you have to kick your other leg, and as you're kicking your other leg, your other hand goes with it until you get to this half point. After you get to the halfway point, continue going until you're back to where you started. Don't forget to keep the leg that's in the air perfectly bent. After you do your full tornado, you could either switch your legs and go the other way, or you could continue and do it 2 times in a row. I'm Bboy Ghost, and that was your breakdown. Bye!